Okay guys, I've taken it down to this spot where I'm about to pull the top off, well, the bottom off, the crankcase off, and see if we have a lot of sealant or not, and see if that was the cause of the leak. This is a lot of work, and very disappointed in the machine shop who did this. I found, as you saw earlier, I found the oil pump hiccup feed was just sitting in the motor, in the bottom of the oil pan. So when I flipped it upside down, it was sitting on top of the motor. Unbelievable. I had to dig through and look for all the screws and nuts that were in there. But yes, let's take a look a little closer at this. Now, the oil leak was on the other side, so we're going to go ahead and pull this off and see just exactly how much sealant, if any, was on. Okay, let's go. Let's give it a shot here. I might have some sealant. No, no. Doesn't seem to be coming up very easy in the back. And it wasn't leaking in the back. So, there we go. Let's pick it up from the center here. And voila. Let's put this down nicely. Let's observe here. Okay, so right here, approximately, is where it was leaking. And I see a lot of sealant here. I see nothing over here or over here. And that's where it was leaking at. It was dripping down here. And no, I'm sorry, it was going up this way because I'm facing downward. Interesting. So I bought a new, this O-ring's all gunked up with gasket. That's not going to make a good seal in the first place. You can't do that. It's got to be just the rubber O-ring. Nothing out of the ordinary looks down there. Now I wonder if that's supposed to be that loose. I wonder. They all feel about the same. I'm going to go ahead and re-torque them, make sure they're torqued properly. Alright, till later.